Hey, good morning. Welcome to
MathIdeas number 152.
MathIdeas number 152. I can't believe we've done 152 of these. And this is the first one where Daddy's a little sick, so you got to keep me going. Cheer me up. Pat me on the back. All right, let's go. Now, 2 videos ago, MathIdeas150, I showed you some neat things about adding numbers with blocks. And yesterday we did it with numbers, and I think we did. What did we do? 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5?
Yeah.
Or did we maybe go up to 20? I don't even remember.
I think we did up to 100. I think we did up to 25.
Up to 25? That sounds right, actually. Today, you know what we're going to do? We're going to go up to 100.
Cool.
Cool. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 99 plus 100. What does that equal? Whoa.
5,050?
How did you know that?
Because I remembered it from last video.
Oh, you remembered it. Okay. I almost fell off my chair. Did we talk about this in the last video? Well, how do you do it?
Well, I think you...
What do you do to add this up? I see you cheered me up right away with that.
Well...
What do you do? Remember what you do?
We use a trick.
What's our trick?
Well, we do it backwards.
Right. First we write it backwards. So we say this is going to equal x. And then we write 100 plus 99 plus 98 plus 97 plus 2 plus 1. And that also equals x, because we can write the numbers forwards and backwards and they add up to the same thing. What do we do now?
Now we get 100, a lot, like 101s.
We get a lot of 101s. We get 101 plus 101 plus 101 plus 101 plus everything adds up to 101. And how many x's does that equal? X plus x is?
X plus x.
How many x's is that?
That is maybe 200 x's.
2 x's.
2 x's.
Just like 1 apple plus 1 apple is 2 apples. 1x plus 1x is?
2x.
2x. Okay, and all that means is our sum adds up to some number. We don't know what that number is, so we're calling it x. And when I have 2 of my sums, it adds up to 2 times x. Okay? All right. So now, how many 101s do we have here?
Well, I think we have 100.
Why? Why do we have 100?
Because there's 100.
There's 100 numbers, yeah. So we have 100 times 101 equals 2 times x. Whatever our number is, it's 100 times 101. Now, do you know how to multiply by 100? Have we talked about that?
No, I don't think so.
You don't think so? Okay, well, let me show you a neat trick. What's 5 times 10?
5 times 10 is 50.
50. See, I start with a 5, and when I multiply by 10, I just add on a 0. What's 12 times 10, do you think?
12 times 10, maybe 200?
Nope.
Not yet.
Is that too hard? What's 10 times 10?
100.
100. See, I start with a 10, and I multiply by 10, and I add on a 0. So when I multiply by 10, I just add on a 0. So 12 times 10 is 120. How about 23 times 10?
That is 230.
230, yeah. Okay, now, multiplying by 100. What's 5 times 100?
It is 500.
500. What do you notice?
Because you had 2 zeros.
You got 2 zeros. So let's see if that keeps going. Oops. How about 7 times 100? What is that?
700.
700. Yeah, on 2 zeros. So what's 23 times 100?
Maybe 2,300.
2,300. Yeah, you just add on 2 zeros. So now we have this problem. 101 times 100.
That's 1,000 and that's 1,010.
Well, how many zeros is that? If I just add on, how many zeros did I add on to 101 there?
It
ones. How many do I need to add?
2.
2, yeah. What's that number, do you know?
That's 10,100.
Hey, high five, good job. Alright, so 10,100 is twice our number.
So that our number
Okay.
should be 5,000.
10,100 is 2 times our number. So we have to divide 10,100 by 2. Well, what's 10,000 divided by 2?
10,000 divided by 2 is 5.
And what's 100 divided by 2?
Is 5. 100 divided by 2 is 50.
50. So this is 5,050. So you just learned how to add up the numbers from 1 to 100. Whoa! Can you believe that?
Mm-hmm.
So it's not any really at all different than what we were talking about yesterday. But it's still pretty fun, isn't it?
Yeah.
So if anyone ever asks you, like if you're walking down the street and somebody says, "Hey, what do you get when you go 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus blah 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 plus 99 plus 100?"
5,050.
5,050. Good job, honey. Good job today. That was a fun video, even though I'm a little sick. Even though I'm a little sick.